Hey everyone! Happy Wednesday to you. It is almost 5 o'clock, so I thought I would hop on here because I didn't have time to do it this morning. I went and voted today, so it was super easy. If you are planning to vote in person, at least here in Louisville, it was probably faster than it normally is on regular election day, so I'm hoping in the future that they always do early voting, so it was in and out like 5 minutes or less. It was like they didn't have those silly books where you gotta find your name and all that stuff. They scanned my license and I signed in, went and filled out my thing and put it in the electronic reader, and out the door I went. So I highly recommend voting early, because then that way we know that they didn't lose our ballot in the mail, but we all know that's going to be a big argument whenever the final tally is finished. They'll say that all the ballots were lost or whatever. So I got a few new things in today, so I wanted to show you what we got as we are fast approaching the holidays, and I know we're going to be doing a lot more online shopping, and I'm trying to get everything on the website, but we got some new jewelry and bags, some new ponchos that I think are going to be great for holiday wear. So I'm going to start just with our lightweight ponchos. These are just like thin sweater weight ponchos, and we can monogram these, and we have black, gray, and red. I love this red. I think this is beautiful, especially for Christmas, but I guess I was thinking of all my U of L friends when I was getting these, so these are all the U of L colors, or WKU. But you know, we can monogram them, you know, down in the corner. They're just light and easy to wear. So these are $20 without a monogram, and if you want it monogrammed, they're just $28. So got some new of those, and they're nice because you can just kind of throw them on and accessorize your outfit, but they're not super heavy and hot. Also got some fun new jewelry. So leopard print is still super hot, as well as snake skin. So I love those, and if you want to kind of see on me, see the tasseling that I have on are longer than that, but so just kind of give you an idea how long they are. Earrings are $12. Got some fun new tassel earrings. I love tassel earrings. I don't know about you all, but I really do. So again, this will go really good with our new ponchos. Just the little red buffalo plaid, black, and then that cute little lace. And then these have the leopard print, a sequin, and a lace tassel. So these little things would be fun for stocking stuffers. $12. And then we have some fun tassel necklaces. I think we got some other earrings, and I don't think I grabbed them, but that's okay. Really pretty teal tassel. I love this color too, so I wear a lot of that. So fun tassels, pearl necklace with that same tassel that I just showed you on the earring. So this is what matches the earrings, is the pearl necklace with the buffalo plaid and lace tassel. And then these match the other earrings. They kind of have this really pretty like iridescent bead to it, so it's very, very neutral. So you can definitely wear this with a lot of things. So you got the leopard print and then the cream tassel. So, and the necklaces are $24. Then we got this really cute bag. So I'll put it on. So it fits on your shoulder good. And I love a big purse because I shove everything I own in it. So I think this is adorable with or without a monogram, but if I was going to monogram it, I would probably do it in a white. I think it'd be really pretty. You could probably do it in a black as well, but the white will definitely stand out more. It has a snap closure and then a little inside zipper pocket too, so it's really nice. It's got faux leather, so then it's got a little decorative tassel ring. This actually comes off. Let's see if I can. So if you don't like this little thing right here, that will come off. Or if you like it and want to put it on something else, you can interchange it. Then we have had these before, the little mini market totes. I love these for gift baskets. So if you are putting together something we use these for a lot of things. We have used these for Halloween trick-or-treat bags. We've used them for Easter egg hunts, but they're really fun. So these are cute to, if you want to put like a decoration in it and decorate with it, or if you're giving somebody a gift, they're really cute. Like if you were doing like maybe some type of food and wine combo thing that you can fit in here. We can put the name on it. We can put like a cute little Christmas saying on it. And the best part about these is it will collapse and fold flat. That way it's good for storing. So you push this down and then it will collapse, you know, so you can store it flat. So it's really nice. But I just think these are really cute. If you are local and you wanted to put something U of L on it, you know, we could definitely make it a team thing. You can use it for tailgating purposes when we get to tailgate, you know, like the real way again. So we have the little mini market totes. And I've got a new mask for my Kentucky friends. So we got this cute little pumpkin mask. And then I was digging in my fabric stash and found some Grinch fabric. I showed a picture of this the other day. I've had this fabric for several years. I had made some stockings with it, and so I decided I need to make some masks. So we have limited quantity. We have plenty, but once they're gone because this fabric is probably 6 or 7 years old, and I can't get any more. Unless maybe I look on eBay or Etsy, I don't know. So we have the Grinch mask, and then we have Snoopy because I love Snoopy, and I've got more Snoopy fabric that I will get into my stash and make for you all. So if you're a Snoopy fan like me, so we've got some cute little Christmas masks. But these are on our website and on our Etsy shop now. So be sure, especially the Grinch fabric, because like I said, we won't be getting any more of that. It's no longer. And then made this today. It's not adorable. So if you have a little one wearing a bib, we have this cute little elf bib. I think this is like the funniest, cutest thing ever. So it looks like the little elf outfit. So this just has, you know, a little outfit. But if you wanted to, you know, we could probably add a little name or something if you wanted to personalize that. So starting to get into the holiday spirit and get all our Christmas things out. And I also wanted to remind you our monthly t-shirt subscription, the TShirt Club. We have 7 shirts left, 7. So we kind of allot a certain number of shirts per month, and we'll slowly kind of increase that. It's just, but this is the shirt that we will be sending out in about another week and a half. So this is for the November month. It says grateful, thankful, and blessed. It's on one of our favorite tri-blend t-shirts, and it has this taupe colored, very neutral, really pretty sleeve. So this is for the monthly, our t-shirt club. So we just have a few spots left for next month, and our designs for the t-shirt club are exclusive to anyone who has joined the t-shirt club. So we won't be selling them in the store. It's just if you have joined and are in the t-shirt club. So and you get special pricing on our t-shirts. The t-shirt club is $20 a month plus your shipping, which is cheaper than the shirts that we sell in the store. So we really want it to be a benefit to you to get one of our fun t-shirts every month at a discount and an exclusive design. So be sure to check that out on our website. It's right at the top tab where it says Katie's T-Shirt Club. So get signed up, just need to get your size, and that's it. Super easy to sign up. So this will be going out in about a week. And our other fun thing I decided to do is anybody that makes a purchase $20 or more of merchandise purchase, not outside items being monogrammed, we're giving away our single layer mask with a $20 purchase. And we have a bunch of different designs. We've got cardinals, we've got Kentucky, we've got sunflowers, we have cat face, another bee kind. I know these are hard for me to, they're floppy, I can't hold them all. We have Kentucky outline. So if you come in the store or you order online, we'll be throwing in a free mask with $20 purchase. And we have plenty, so, well, I say that depends on how quickly they go, but, I've tried to do some fun, different designs, and we have some solid black. So if you come in, you get to choose. If you order online, then we're just gonna throw in one we think you might like and send it with your order. So be sure to let everybody you know as they start their holiday shopping to come in and shop with us or check out our website. Let them know we're doing a free mask with purchase. We're going to be scheduling our holiday open house soon. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do that because normally we do that in the evening and we like to have food and wine and have everybody come. So we might just make it, maybe extend our hours a little bit on a Friday and just have longer hours on Saturday to give more people, so not everybody shows up in the evening and it's crowded, you know, to keep our social distancing. But we will be planning that soon and have all of our Christmas shirts and things ready to go. So I'm just trying to figure out the logistics on the best way to do that for you guys. So just keep that in mind, and I'll be posting that soon. The other thing is I'm going to be scheduling online classes for sewing a pillowcase. So I posted the other day a picture of the pillowcase. I don't know if you saw it or not, because it just depends on your Facebook feed. But if you're interested in doing an online sewing class with me and learning how to make a pillowcase, they are very easy, super fun, great beginner sewing class, and really fun to make for Christmas gifts. But I was trying to figure out the best time for everybody. I said put 9 a.m., 3 p.m., or 6 p.m. So if you're interested, you can comment under this video, or you can comment under the picture of the pillowcase. It was just a few days ago. And let me know what you think is best so far. The 3 and 6 are what people are commenting. So we'll get that worked out. We might try the afternoon. I think I had more 3 than 6, so we'll see. But anyway, just wanted to share with you a few new things. Hope you guys are having a great day. Go vote early, super easy. And don't forget, we only have seven slots left for our November t-shirt. So sign up on Katie's t-shirt subscription club. It's right at the top of the website, and we'll be sending you a fun t-shirt every month. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.